What can I do with this asparagus? First, wash your asparagus and trim off the bottom part of the stems. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and some fresh cracked pepper. Also add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. No need for salt since we are wrapping these in prosciutto. Cut the prosciutto in half lengthwise. Quick tip, keep your prosciutto refrigerated until you're ready to use it. At room temperature, it can get a little difficult to work with as the pieces will stick together and they tear apart really easily. Take a piece of prosciutto and wrap around each asparagus. Pull the prosciutto a little to give some tension as you wrap the asparagus. This will help the prosciutto adhere to the vegetable. Now to the grill. Place your grill on medium heat and coat the grates with cooking spray. Place the asparagus directly on the grill grates and cook for about 3 minutes. I wish I had left just a little bit of space in between each wrapping of the prosciutto just to use a little bit less. Don't get me wrong, these turned out great, but they were a little rich. Now these have been on the grill for 3 minutes, so let's give them a turn. Turn each asparagus and cook for an additional 3 minutes. Then remove from the grill and finish with a drizzle of store-bought balsamic reduction and some fresh herbs. I'm using a blend of chopped basil, mint, and Italian parsley. Okay, these turned out great. The prosciutto got nice and crispy on the outside, imparting that salty flavor onto the asparagus. Finished it off with that tangy and sweet balsamic glaze and those fresh herbs. It was really, really good, but a little bit rich. So my last tip, we served these with steaks, which made for a pretty rich dinner. You may want to choose to have these with some poultry or even some seafood. All right, that's it. We're done. Hope you liked it. We had a blast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.